In this video, I'm going to explain you difference between node and tsnode command. So I have got very simple TypeScript file here, as you can see xyz.ts, and all it is doing is just putting this 10 into this variable a of this type number. So in TypeScript you can specify the type for the variables, and here you can see this variable a is of the type number, and all we are doing is just printing that variable value. Now if you want to execute this file, you can use tsnode, and then you can give the file name as well, like that, and then it will execute this file. It should print number 10 here, and as you can see the execution is successful. Now let us see if you can execute this file using node. So as you can see, we are getting error. It is saying unexpected token : now as you can see, the node is used to execute only the JavaScript files and not the TypeScript files. So if your file is a TypeScript file and it is using the TypeScript features, for example typing the variables, then node, we don't know about that. Node only understand JavaScript, it doesn't understand TypeScript features, and that is why this error is coming. When it tries to parse this file, it expects that after this variable it has to be assigned, or it has to be like undefined, something like that. But as soon as it looks at this colon character, it says that something is weird, it is not a JavaScript syntax, and that's why this error is coming, the syntax error. So with the tsnode, what happens is when you execute this command npx tsnode, what happens is that node doesn't execute this file directly. The file is given to the TypeScript compiler first. It converts the TypeScript file into the JS file, and after that the execution happens using node. So that is what is happening here. With the node, it will take the file and execute it as like assuming it is a JavaScript file. But with the tsnode, what happens is that transformation is happening from the TypeScript file to the JavaScript file, and then execution will happen on that JavaScript file. So that is the main difference between node and tsnode. I hope it clears your doubts. Thanks for watching this video.